Hey guys, Leslie here with another card making video. This is a Christmas card number 3 in this series. So I'm back at it with the ephemera that I've shown you once before. This one is called Deck the Halls and it's by Cartabella. There's 33 pieces in here. I think all of them are shown here, and then I've thrown some around. I have used, I think, one thing. So, and then you'll see I have 4 washi tapes because I always use some kind of planner supply item. So last time it was Happy Planner stickers and some washi. This time it's going to be ephemera, which you could actually use in your planner as well. I actually haven't done a spread that way, but that would be interesting. Okay, so first we're going to play with washi, then we're going to play with ephemera. I am using a different card this time. I've been using the traditional like white cardstock, but this is like craft, what do they call it? Like craft, it's like craft brown. Anyway, I buy all of my cards like this at Michael's. They sell them in packs of 25, 50, 100. So in case you're wondering. So we're going to play with some washi tapes. Now, as far as how I want this to look, I think it's going to be something like this probably. I think that's how I want it to look. So this is going to be a little weird, but I hope you guys brace yourselves. This is not something that like I made up. I've seen people do this before, especially for like dashboards, etc. So we're going to start down here with a tiny bit like so. And then you just have to cut it, or you can tear it and then trim it all off. I think I'm just going to do the thing where I trim it all off. So I'm going to go ahead and basically just let this tape it down to the table for me. Because it gets kind of, this paper for some reason, I don't know, maybe it's because it's been a minute. I've used it quite a bit. But then like sometimes paper tends to like curl. I don't know why. It's like the humidity where I live or something. So I'm going to be layering this in, but I think I am going to skip a line, which is somewhat not traditional to the idea of doing this. Normally it's like butted up right against it. So you know me, always doing my own thing. So there you go. Once again, that's me. Okay. So I don't know if my lines will be completely even. I'm going to try, but that doesn't mean I'll succeed at that. As far as where all these washi tapes are from, I couldn't even tell you. I think Michael's and Hobby Lobby probably. As far as like the sets that I buy, these I don't think any of these came together. I don't think. But I'm bad about like, okay, so I'm still friends with her, but I used to have like a planner buddy that we would send each other happy mail every week. Not every week, why am I saying that? Once a month. Every week I'd be broke sending other people planner goodies once a week. So I had one of those when I first started planning, and then as we like, kept going, it was kind of one of those things where we were like, okay, I think I have a lot of planner stuff, so it's not that I don't love you, but like I don't think I need a planner buddy anymore, was kind of what was happening. So we didn't like go our separate ways. Like I said, we're still friends. It was just more of like, I think we have an excess amount of planner stuff, so it was one of those, but it was fun while it lasted kind of thing. Okay, so we're not carrying, it's just going to tape to the thing and then I'll peel it up. That'll be fun. But I really love this Santa hat one. And there's Christmas ornaments and the poinsettia or poinsettia, as we have argued about in the past on my channel, of what you guys actually say. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Okay, good. I just started taping this to the table and I was like, oh, I hope that I'm in frame and everything is dandy. So I am filming some of these in advance, but like I said in the last video, if you have any suggestions, maybe I didn't take them into consideration with this video because I literally filmed this one the very next night. But I will try to make sure that I get to taking suggestions as well. I'm not going to just do whatever. If you guys have suggestions or want to see something in use, I would love to show you. So that was one of the reasons I didn't want white cardstock behind here, was because I had this white background. So I just felt like it would be white on white on white, and I just didn't want to, that's not what I was going for. But I did want to bring in some pattern that wasn't necessarily like Christmas. Like this one, honestly, you could use it for St. Patrick's Day. But if you have birthday washi, you could do this same thing with a birthday sticker or ephemera or something. or print something off. That's what I've always said too. I don't have a good color printer. So, well, I do, but it's not hooked up. I actually haven't ever used it. My mother-in-law did leave us a color printer. So there is that. Okay. So plaid, then ornaments again. I think I did pretty good. Ooh, roll away washi again. I think I did pretty good with my line adjustment. Although I did start. Okay, so I did start in the bottom corner with completely covering this up. And this one, you'll see it, but I don't mind. I'm not going to put another teensy weensy. Why am I doing that? Bit of washi. I don't know why I tore that side either. I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm just the one doing this video. Okay, so then we're going to take this corner up and peel it off the table, causing as much noise as possible. Now, you could just fold it over, but then people would be able to see it. So if that doesn't bother you, that's fine. Don't fold it over here. You could fold it over into here and then cover this with another piece of cardstock. That's an option as well. I'm just going to trim it off. So I hope no one minds. I'm just going to use my scissors and trim this down. It shouldn't cause too many issues with what I'm doing, other than we're going to have little chunks of washi everywhere. Although, we could use these to make a cute little flag banner later in another video. So save your pieces of washi as well to make Christmas cards. Maybe that's what I'll do. We'll do like a banner one next time. I don't know. So let me know. I would love to see what your guys' ideas are for what I create. That would be fun. Okay. Oh, I feel like I'm cutting the cardstock a little bit, which I don't really care. It's my card. Okay. Yeah, we kind of cut the card a little bit, but that's okay. It's all going to family and friends that won't judge me. Oh, more washi tape on the fingernails. We're good. Okay. It's because it curls, not the washi, the cardstock did. I can see it better this way. I don't know why I'm cutting it on this side and not the other way. I have no rhyme or reason. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We do not want to mess this up. What is happening? Why is it flopping? Oh, it's flopping because it's not taped on there good enough. Okay, if for some reason your washi tape isn't staying on and it's wanting to curl off your paper, just glue it down. Just take your glue runner and add some more adhesive to your washi that's supposed to be sticky. Okay, so far so good. But that one's like was trying to come up, but I don't know if that was just because I was cutting it. So far I'm loving this. It looks so festive. So festive. Okay, let's go this way and try not to cut the card. Try not to. Doesn't mean I won't. Okay. Snazzy. All right, maybe a little card is in there. Not gonna lie. All right. So we're gonna smush that down just a little, make sure nothing like curves up on me while I'm trying to be crafty. Okay. But like I said, if any of this does come up, I would just take some glue runner adhesive and just add more adhesive to my washi. You could also use scraps of paper to do this across here. Just you would have to adhere it with some kind of adhesive tape. Okay, so now we need to experiment with, okay, so I definitely want the card to go this way. This is too big. Okay, that's a possibility, but I will say the trim kind of contrasts with that area. Too big. Maybe a fun accent. Covers too much. See, once again, it's that similar color is the conundrum there. It's the most wonderful time of year. Okay, see, that needs to go this way because it's a longer one. So what was I thinking? Merry and bright. Okay, I don't mind this one as much. I feel like because it's striped, but I feel like I have so much stripes going on that I don't like it. So then I have all is bright, which is cute. And honestly, I would pop dot a lot of these if I was doing pop dotting because I don't have any right now because I packed it away. So we're going to pretend I have pop dots and I would normally pop dot that. Okay, this one's cute, too big. We have December, the deer, that's not happening. There's 'tis the season, but that's too small. Oop, Got washi tape on me. Okay, I kind of like all is bright. So I thought this was a tag at first and that was the hole, but it's clearly like Santa's hat. So I'm wondering if I can kind of like layer this in like that and make it somewhat center, or should I move it all the way to the side so then you get more of this wild decor? What if I did something nutty? Would you guys hate it? Because you might hate it. You might hate it. Okay. I'm going to cut this up and I may regret my life choices, but that's okay. I made some. Okay. Cutting that. Cutting this. We're just going to go to there because maybe we would use this paper. Maybe. Okay. I know. Can you believe I'm doing this? Who would have thought? Okay. I did not plan this. I have a general idea of where I'm going usually. And then it's kind of just like, whatever I feel like fits at the moment because I'm crafty. Okay. I like this. That is popping. Yeah. That pops on that page. And I like it because this has too much of a border of a pattern. This is too wild. I really want it focused on like the decor that I put down. This one would work too. I could have cut around this one. It's the most wonderful time of year. I definitely could have. Okay, we're going to go ahead and use my Xyron tape runner. That's what this is. I also use the Elmer's. I'm not like a glue runner snob. Is that a thing? Are there glue runner snobs in the craft community? I have no idea. I had an ATG. It's an adhesive tape gun. They're a little intense for like trying to load, and they're kind of big and clunky. So I like that. Okay, is that centered? It's on washi, so I can definitely move it around. Does that look centered? It's hard to tell with all the lines. So, I think it's a little high. A little high, a little low. That's from Stuart Little. Like, who is this? Okay. All right, I think. Oop, sticking. I almost want to coat this in like Mod Podge, but I know that's not a good idea. Okay. I think that looks great. Okay, so that is my idea for this week. I used 4 washi tapes that I felt like kind of matched without being too matchy-matchy. Mostly focused on traditional Christmas colors. And then just grab some ephemera. But like I said, you could do this and then you could print something off if you have like a good color printer. Or find a Happy Planner sticker that has like the white background. That would layer over it nicely as well. Oh, I like these presents. Okay, so that is my card for video number 3. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I'm having a lot of fun making them for you. I love making Christmas cards. So Christmas cards are my favorite. All right, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.